Hello there. So have you ever thought about trying out colored pencils but weren't sure where to start? Or maybe you've overlooked them thinking they are just for kids. Well, in this video, I'm sharing why colored pencils are the perfect art medium for beginners and professionals alike, and why you should start drawing with them today. And while I do so, I'll be going through a time lapse of this beautiful sunflower drawing I made a while back. The first thing I want to talk about is accessibility and ease of use. Colored pencils are one of the most accessible art mediums out there. You don't need fancy equipment or a dedicated art studio. Just grab your pencils and paper and you are good to go. Plus, they are portable and mess-free, making them perfect for artists with busy schedules. And if you are looking forward to making this a hobby, you obviously don't want an art medium that stresses you out when setting up. One of the best things about colored pencils is their versatility. You can create everything from highly detailed realistic portraits to vibrant abstract art. Techniques like layering, blending, and burnishing allow for endless possibilities. Now, I've made art with regular graphite pencils in the past, and while they are a great medium, I find that the vibrance and contrast provided by colored pencils are clearly unmatched. I mean, you could put the same drawing side by side, one done with graphite and the other done with colored pencils, and you can clearly tell the drawing done in colored pencil effortlessly catches the eye more. Now, one thing most people are afraid of is the fact that colored pencils, unlike regular pencils, cannot be erased, but that shouldn't scare you off at all. Through techniques like layering and blending, you can effortlessly correct any mistake in just a few seconds. Now let's talk precision and control. Colored pencils give you unparalleled control and precision. The fine tips let you create intricate details that are harder to achieve with mediums like paint or markers, and this is why they are my go-to for drawing realistic portraits. Now, I know I've already touched on vibrance, but professional grade colored pencils like the Caran d'Ache Luminance offer stunning vibrancy and durability. These colors can last decades without fading, making your artwork not only beautiful but also archival quality. Investing in high quality materials can truly elevate your art. However, you don't have to invest tons of money into colored pencils in order to make great looking art. And this leads me perfectly onto my next point, which is another great thing about colored pencils is how affordable they are. You can start with a basic set for just a few dollars. You can actually create stunning artworks with pencils as cheap as Crayola. The most important thing is the skill level, and I've got lots of tutorials to help elevate your skill, so you might want to subscribe to this channel for such tips and tutorials. The professional colored pencils make drawing a lot easier, and you can always upgrade to professional grade pencils as you grow. There's something for every budget, which makes this medium so beginner friendly. Now, before we move on to the next section, I'm guessing you've stuck around because perhaps I've managed to convince you to start drawing with colored pencils, which I hope I have, and you probably want to get started on your colored pencil art journey. Well, if that's you, no worries, I've got a free guide for you to get you started. It's called The Basics of Realistic Colored Pencil Art, where I take you through a step-by-step method on how I did this exact drawing you're watching me do. It also contains a list of all the materials and techniques you will need, together with some video links to help you grasp the concept more easily. Like I said, it's absolutely free, so you might want to check it out. In fact, I recommend you do. It will help you a lot. I'll leave a link in the description. Earlier, I was talking about the fact that I've got tips and tutorials on this channel to help you improve your art, and that actually leads me to my next point, which is the fact that learning how to draw with colored pencils is not as difficult as you may have thought. Techniques like layering and blending may sound a lot more complicated than they actually are. If you dedicate a few minutes a day to colored pencil drawing, you would be surprised how quickly you will improve in a matter of weeks. Drawing with colored pencils isn't just about creating art, it's also incredibly relaxing. The repetitive motion of shading and blending can actually feel meditative, and for me, it's a way to distress and immerse myself in creativity. Have you ever experienced this? If you have, let me know in the comment section. When I first started drawing with colored pencils, I was amazed how much they transformed my art. There's just something about watching colors come together to create a wonderful piece of art. Over time, I've also come to appreciate the colored pencil art community who share in the same experience. So whether you're just starting out or you're an experienced artist, there is so much more to explore with colored pencils. So are you ready to give colored pencils a try? Let me know in the comments what you are most excited to draw. Again, if you are looking for tips and tutorials, don't forget to like and subscribe. Also, don't forget to download my free guide on the basics of realistic colored pencil art. The link will be in the description. I hope you had fun watching this, and I'll see you in the next one. Have a great day.